It is a peaceful afternoon at the pond. Goldie is relaxing.
Ah, what a beautiful day! The sun is so warm on my back. Wow, look at you go! Whoosh! Look at me go!
Wow, Skater! You are so fast! How do you walk on water?
See these tiny hairs on my legs? They help me float.
I wish I could walk on water too.
Don't be sad. You are the best hunter in this pond.
Shh. Look! Dinner is coming. Snap! Gotcha!
So yummy.
Great job, Goldie! You are a super hunter! Goldie and Skater are both special.
Wow, we are. I feel so special.
Now it's time for a nap.
You're right, Skater. You are good at skating, and I am good at snapping.
Good night, everyone.